and welcome back. It's a beautiful day. It's Thursday, almost weekend, so I'm very excited about that. Even though I think this is the first weekend in this month that is a little bit free, so we are excited about that. We have a couple of things that we wanna do with Aiden. We want to take him to the farm so that he has fun and stuff, so we might take you guys with us over there. Other than that, it's a pretty busy day. Mayank has already started working, breakfast is done. I was already working here in the morning. Now still have a couple of videos that I need to shoot, but yeah, that's a normal day for us. Aiden is playing over there with all his trucks and all that stuff, so he's a little busy. I want to share something really amazing with you guys that we got recently, and it's my personal favorite now. I think it's a space heater. It's like, I call it my personal space heater because look at the size. I mean, first of all, it's so cute and so functional in the sense of personal heater, because you can keep it anywhere on your desk. If you're working, just keep it right next to it, next to you, wherever you want. And then it's amazing, like, because in the cold weather sometimes you don't want to switch on the whole house heating and you just want something personal, small. You can carry it with you everywhere. Look at the size, and it's in white color. It's so freaking cute. I love it. It has one button here, and look at that, it has rapid heating. It's constant temperature. It keeps the temperature very constant and it doesn't overheat, so it's honestly so perfect. Let me switch it on for you guys. All right, I plugged it in and look at it. It's literally like the size of my face, or I would say even smaller than my face. But yeah, it has two settings here in the back, as you can see. One is for good amount of airflow and the other one is for small amount of airflow. And then it is switched on right now, look, but it won't work unless, because you're holding it. Once you put it here, it's working. So yeah, the link will be in the description box below, so you guys can check that out and let me know how you like it. I'm back and I'm seeing you guys after a couple of hours. I had to shoot some videos for Amazon, so that's what I was doing. And now I am making tea for myself because I have a little throatache and a little bit of runny nose, because past couple of days Aiden was a little sick with runny nose and cough and stuff, and then I was taking care of him. So you know how it goes. He got it, I get it, I get it, he gets it, kind of thing. So that's what is happening. So I'm trying to get some tea in my body. This is the ginger and honey tea, and then I'm gonna mix it with, this is Samahan tea. I got this from Amazon and it has all the herbal supplements in it, so it's supposed to be very good. It has helped us before, so I'm gonna try use it again actually, because I have a whole packet, so I'm just gonna use that. And I'm gonna make some tea and finish some more editing work. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is going to be an amazing day, and I am very excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with us tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a photo shoot for Marvel. So basically I want a photo shoot, yes baby, a photo shoot for Marvel. Yeah, so basically there was something like I want a giveaway on Facebook, and it was like a dog photo shoot, professional dog photo shoot. So I won that giveaway, and we all are gonna go. We're gonna get one portrait, like family. You can either do just for the dog, or you can include your family in it. I want to include our whole family in it with Marvel. One nice beautiful picture, and then I'm going to take you guys along with us tomorrow and show you a couple of snippets from the photo shoot. And yeah, that's what the plan for tomorrow is. Tomorrow is Friday, so I booked the photo shoot at 4 o'clock so that Mayank can get done with his work. Yeah, I don't know what the plan for dinner is, because I did not get time to think about it, because I have been shooting videos and I still have a couple of more which I will do in the weekend, and you guys will know about it when I do it. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna make some tea and finishing some editing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Mayank is here, and we already got done with Marvel. He's making bhel puri. No.
Yes.
Yeah, he's making bhel puri. But I grew up eating jhalmuri, which is mostly from the northeast side. Did you ever eat jhalmuri though? Before meeting me?
I have eaten that version of jhalmuri, but not north side. They don't put raw
Mustard oil. Yeah. So I have always loved jhalmuri, and Mayank is making bhel puri right now. And for dinner we are making chicken. Mayank is gonna make a chicken, some kind of chicken. So yeah.
Where's that?
Which one, baby?
Bhel puri.
So we have onion, tomato, green chilies, hot mix, and one more mix, bhel mix. And then what are you gonna add?
I'm gonna add tamarind chutney.
Oh, you also have to chop coriander.
And yes,
Chutney?
tamarind chutney.
Oh, tamarind chutney. And is it not open? Oh, इधर है. ये भी नहीं है ना क्योंकि
Oh, खत्म हो गई थी.
वो पिका वाली tamarind date. Wow, pack up.
चावल का आटा रखा.
Yes. This is how it looks. Delicious.
Alright guys, dinner is ready. This is Aiden's plate.
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
So he gets a leg piece, half a potato, and some rice, and I pour some gravy on the top of the rice. So that's his plate, and then Tanya is just adding some onion. We made, it's just gravy left in here. Yeah, there were literally 2 leg quads. There were literally 2 leg quads, so I added 3 potatoes, small ones. So it's basically, it got divided. I had to cut the leg quad so that everybody gets something. But it's enough for us. It's just some gravy left in there.
You guys remember Leelavati? If you guys haven't seen the vlog, just go over and check a few, like I think some of the previous vlogs, and then Leelavati was there. She was a young girl and now she's a woman. Look at her, she has grown so much. It's time to feed her, so I was just gonna do that. I thought let me just feed her with you guys. And she smells like alcohol right now, so that means she is ready to feed. And then I have also a small version here which I am also gonna feed. Okay.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Starters are fed. I am gonna keep this. I'm gonna use this starter for baking bread tomorrow because I have to bake sourdough loaf tomorrow. So I'm just gonna keep this on my microwave, and this is gonna go in its usual place where I keep it. This is how she looks. Look at that. And then I'm just gonna keep it, and this is done. And I think that's it for the vlog. We're done with the dinner. I'm gonna go get Aiden ready for his bed and put him into his bed. And that's it. Tomorrow is going to be an exciting day though, so I'm gonna take you guys with us for the photo shoot like I told you. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be our first time taking Marvel for a professional shoot somewhere, so I'm very excited. And
very interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. And then also, if you guys are interested in the space heater, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, what do we say, Aiden? Until then, bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye. He's finishing up his dinner.
Bye.
Okay, bye.